We all know the importance of having an emergency fund. Unfortunately, sometimes we don't have enough in savings to cover expenses.
I got an urgent phone call. I need your help. I need you to help me to get some money together and send it to our sister in South Africa. So I needed to do something fast. I'm like, where am I gonna get the money? I'm on a fixed income. I don't have money in the middle of the month. So I saw the sign, checking the cash. I called them up. 20 minutes later, I had the money.
Thankfully, Check Into Cash has provided relief to many communities for more than 25 years.
Check Into Cash has hundreds of locations nationwide. We're known as the hometown lender. We've established partnerships with the local Boys and Girls Club, participated in food drives with the Red Cross and the local Salvation Army, and we try to stay active in our community. We opened our doors in 1993. We've been lending financial support to our customers for over 25 years. We're a known industry leader and pioneer in the business, and we're trusted by millions of our customers.
Check Into Cash is probably the best option because they're convenient and they're there to work with you no matter what.
Check Into Cash has found a way to set themselves apart from other loan companies.
There's a lot of pop-up lenders out there that haven't been around as long as we have, with little history or credibility. There's a lot of misunderstanding about rates and terms, but we explain the process to our customers. We take the time to build relationships with our customers. Others are more transactional. We really care. We have storefronts. There's also a chat feature available. They can also apply online, or you can call us for a quote by phone. We want them to feel like they're hometown banking.
Navigating your loan journey can be difficult and scary.
I was apprehensive at first because of the higher interest rate on the loan, but being able to stretch the payment out and pay it off over time put me at ease.
Annual percentage rates are measured on a 12-month basis, but our payday loans, for example, stretch out for a few days or weeks, and that's why our interest rates are a little higher than most traditional banks.
With so many types of loans offered online and in stores across over 25 states, Check Into Cash is there with you to overcome those unexpected financial emergencies.
Whether it's retail or online, our loan products vary from state to state.
And thanks to an easy, intuitive website, you can apply in minutes, online or on the go.
So the process was super easy, and they had me approved in less than 15 minutes with the cash in my hand.
Whether in-store or online, your application is quick, easy, and confidential.
You can be approved in minutes. Let me help you get the loan that's right for you.
To find out more about how Check Into Cash can help you get the cash you need, visit checkintocash.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.